are these numbers so confusing? I just don't understand sequence. Hey, relax. Do you even know what a sequence is?
Alright, let's dive into sequences. A sequence is essentially an order list of numbers or other elements. Each item in a sequence is called a term, and these terms follow a specific pattern or rule.
To expand on that, a sequence is not just any random list, it is structured. You can have finite sequences that end after a certain number of terms, or infinite sequences that go on forever.
Today, we're going to talk about arithmetic sequences. But first, what exactly is an arithmetic sequence? What makes it different from just any sequence? Well, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant difference is called the common difference. To dive deeper in some situations, certain terms in an arithmetic sequence can be challenging to find, especially if they aren't immediately next to the known term. To find any term in an arithmetic sequence, we can use the general formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d.
Let's break it down. A sub n is the n term we want to find. A sub 1 is the first term in the sequence. N is the position of term we're looking for, and d is the common difference. Alright, in this sequence, our first term is 3. Common difference is 4, because 7 minus 3 is 4, 11 minus 7 is 4, and so on. We want to find the 15th term, so n is 15. So, we have a sub 15 equals 3 plus 15 minus 1 multiplied by 4. First, we solve the parentheses. 15 minus 1 is 14. Next, we multiply 14 by 4, which give us 56. Now let's add 3 and 56. Therefore, the 15th term in the sequence is 59.
Alright, let's switch gears slightly. Instead of finding a specific term, let's find the n or the position of particular term within a sequence. In this case, we know the value of the term we're looking for. So, a sub n equals 50. We need to find out what n is. Let's start by identifying a sub 1 and d like before. What is a sub 1 in this sequence? A sub 1 is 2. Now, what is the common difference? The common difference is 3. Now, let's plug everything we know into our formula. Got it. Let's solve it directly. We want to get the part with n alone. So, we'll move the 2 to the other side, which makes it negative 2. 50 minus 2 is 48. Next, we divide both sides by 3. And finally, we'll move negative 1 to isolate n. Therefore, the term 50 is the 17th term in the sequence. That means a sub 17 is equals to 50. When you're given the value of the term and asked to find its position, remember to plug the known values into the formula and solve for n.
Thanks, Chen. Now I get what a sequence is. This makes learning about arithmetic sequence much easier. You're welcome, Faye.
So that's the basics about arithmetic sequences. We hope that this video has helped you grasp about the topic.